Hello folks, welcome back to the Cooking Shack. Today we're doing jambalaya. Now we ain't gonna do it from scratch, we're gonna do it just like every other red-blooded American out there. We're gonna do it from bots. Cause I don't feel like doing it the old-fashioned way. I could do it the old-fashioned way, we will do that at a later date. But yeah, today we're just gonna do it from a bot. It's been a busy day. And I don't feel like messing with anything too fancy. So we got 2 pounds of chicken and we got a pound of sausage. And we're going to fry that up till it's good and about mostly done. Then we're going to throw the bots in there, some water, and then we're going to do it the easy way. Now there is still a lot of steps, and then the bots don't tell you how to do it. They just tell you what to put in it. So this is probably going to be a short video. Now, it said 3 easy steps, but the 3 easy steps didn't include much. In fact, after looking at the back of the pots, there ain't much in that thing. Literally, it says green peppers, red peppers, and a handful of seasonings, which is not what goes in jambalaya. I don't know what I was thinking. So we're going to do what every cook with a decent amount of intelligence would do. We'll add a little bit to it. Now, I've already added filet, added a little bit of paprika, a little bit of sea salt. Then we'll add our little bag of rice and dried peppers and dried garlic and yeah, it's a little bit processed, but hey, I opted out for easy. That's what I get, huh? So, but we're gonna go ahead and chop up an onion. And maybe we'll add a little bit more filet, maybe a little bit more paprika, because the color doesn't exactly look right. Well, after about an hour's worth of cooking, this is the final product. Now, I did add a little bit more water. Those bots durations are pretty inadequate. Most times they don't tell you half of what you really need. You kind of have to do it trial and error. But I mean, that's the way how most folks learn how to cook. I did tweak a little bit of the recipe. I added paprika, a little bit of seasonal. But yeah, all we had to wait after all that was just the rice to cook. And this is bots made jambalaya. Pretty simple, pretty easy. But we're done with this video. Y'all have a good one. We're gonna dig in.